Welcome back, boys and girls. Today we have another story we're going to read. Ella's Colorful Mess. Written and illustrated by Sylvana. One day, Ella went out for an afternoon stroll. It was a hot day, so Ella decided to take a break under the tree. Suddenly, a bucket of red paint fell on her. Kerplunk! Who could have possibly left it up in a tree, she thought. Ella tried to wipe the paint off of her, but it would not come off. She was all red. She panicked. She thought if she could pour different colors of paints on her, then the red paint would go away and fix the problem. She went to a store and bought all the paint she could find. She got orange paint, yellow paint, green paint, blue paint, and purple paint. Now it's time to fix this mess, Ella thought out loudly. She began pouring the orange paint. Splash! Oh no! She was all orange! Sploosh! Next, she poured the yellow paint on her. Well, the orange paint was gone, but she was all yellow. Ella panicked again and began pouring the rest of the paints one by one. Splish! She poured the green paint and she was all green. Splash! She poured the blue paint and she was all blue. Sploosh! She poured the purple paint and she was all purple. Nothing can solve this problem. This is a big mess. Ella cried. She decided to run away. Ella found a hiding spot. She sobbed and sobbed and sobbed. She was embarrassed for making a big mess. Mostly, she thought everyone would make fun of her. Meanwhile, Mommy and Daddy elephants began worrying for Ella, as it was getting dark and there were no signs of her. So Mommy and Daddy elephants went out looking for her. Ella! 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 Where are you, Ella? Seeing Mommy and Daddy sad, Ella came out of her hiding spot. Oh, Ella, are you okay? Asked Mommy Elephant. Ella explained. I stopped under a tree to take a rest, and a bucket full of red paint fell on me. I thought pouring other paints would solve the problem, but instead I made a bigger mess. Daddy Elephant asked, why didn't you come to us for help? I thought you would all laugh at me, said Ella bashfully. Oh my dear Ella Bella, we are your parents. We are always here to help you. Come with us. We can show you how to fix this problem in no time, said Daddy Elephant. Daddy and Mommy Elephants walked Ella down to a lake nearby. Daddy said, Ella, all you have to do now is to jump in the water and take a nice bath until the paints are gone. Ella listened and could not wait to clean the mess. She jumped in right away and splashed until she was all clean. Problem solved. Wow, what a great story. And thank you guys for coming today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.